On November 7, 1975, Bangladesh faced a day of unprecedented action, a day that would change the direction of the young nation. This is the story of how Major General Ziaur Rahman, a national hero and freedom fighter, made a bold move to restore order, inspire unity, and protect the independence of Bangladesh. Bangladesh was struggling with political turmoil, its independence threatened by instability and unrest. Within the military ranks, tensions ran high, and the need for a strong leader who could unify the country was urgent. In 1975, factions within the military and political leadership were increasingly at odds. Amid this unrest, Major General Ziaur Rahman, a decorated freedom fighter, found himself caught in the middle of a growing crisis. The stakes were high, as divisions threatened the country's hard-won independence and freedom. On November 7th, the situation came to a head. Soldiers, inspired by the need for unity and stability, gathered with the people in a call for change. Amid this movement, Major General Ziaur Rahman made a historic and courageous decision. Despite the risks, he took command, becoming a central figure of hope and stability. Zia's decisive actions on November 7th marked the beginning of a new era. His leadership and vision restored calm during a time of great uncertainty. By stepping forward and taking command, Zia not only united the nation, but also safeguarded the country's independence. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more stories about Bangladesh's journey through history.